a pretty bird? Oh, who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? No, not pretty bird. Pretty girl. No, pretty girl. Who's a pretty girl? Good boy, good boy. Who's a pretty bird? I'm not a bird. You're a bird. Who's a pretty bird? Yeah. Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? Okay, I love you. I love you. I love you. No, I love you. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. I love you. I love you, pretty bird. Yeah, I love you. Good boy. I love you. Me too. Who's a pretty bird? I love you. Yeah. Who's a pretty bird? Say, I love you. I love you. Yeah. Who's a pretty bird? I love you. Say Ishal. Ishal. Me too. I love you. I love you. I love you. Pretty bird. Who's a pretty bird? Who's a pretty bird? Who's a pretty bird? Oh. What does the cat say? What does the cat say?
He said no.
No. Hi. 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 No. Hi. Hi. Milo. I love you. I love you. Why? No. Hi. 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 What does a cat say? Meow. 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 No. Meow. No. That's not what a cat says. I love you. Who's a pretty bird? Who's a pretty bird? No. Who's a pretty bird? Who? Who's a pretty bird? No. Me too. I love you.